Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how can you download Notepad++. So for downloading it you have to open any web browser. So let me open here Chrome. So now here on the web browser search here for the Notepad++ download. So let me search here. So now go to this first link, downloads Notepad++. So here you can see, here are many versions of Notepad++ are showing. So you can choose whichever version you want to download. So let me download the latest one. So now go to Upward and now here you can see. So here you can see download Notepad++, the latest version. So click on this. So now scroll down. So now you have to click on this download. So here you can see downloading has been started. So as you can see here, downloading has been completed. Now double click it to install it on your computer. So let's wait. If any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes. So here you have to select the language. So let me select here English. Then again click on next. Click on I agree. Here you have to select the location where you want to install the Notepad++. So let me choose the default one. Now click on next. Again, now click on next. Now click on install. So before clicking on install, you have to tick mark this and then click on install. So let's wait till the installing is in progress. So as you can see here, it is now installing on my computer. So after the installation, I will show you how can you open Notepad++ on your computer. So as you can see here, the installation has been completed. Now click on finish. So now press on window key and then search here for Notepad++. So here you can see Notepad++ is showing. Now click on it to launch it. So here you can see the Notepad++ is launched on my computer. So this is how you can download it and can use it. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.